Hey you guys, I'm back. It's 2:45 p.m. and I'm back to check my pot roast. Ooh, look at that, y'all. Ooh, see potatoes. Let me see what's going on in this pot here. Oh, look at there. Look at this, y'all. Look at that meat. Uh-oh. Sorry about that. Look at that meat. Can you guys see in there? Got the sun going on, and look at that meat. It's tender. Right off. Let me see the potato. Let me see. Look at my celery. I had some carrots in here somewhere, you guys. Let me go in here and find these carrots. Oh, here they go over here. There's some carrots. Oh, these carrots tender. They just breaking. And my onions. Look at that gravy on here. If you guys can see it. Look at that onion. Big piece of onion. Ooh, that steam. Alrighty. So, I come in here to stir it. I don't want to mash my potatoes too much. But I think everything is about done, you guys. Look how good that look. And that meat just come right off this bone. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that meat. Wow. Alrighty, you guys. I thank you guys for watching. I'm still looking how good that look. Alrighty, you guys. I will chat later. Bye-bye now.